Hello guys, if you are trying to get Bruce Lee in UFC 6, there's something important to know. Bruce Lee is actually not a playable character in the game. EA Sports removed him from UFC 6, making this the first EA Sports UFC title where Bruce Lee isn't included in the roster. In previous UFC games, Bruce Lee was available through specific editions, pre-order bonuses, or special unlocks depending on the game, so a lot of players expected him to return, but in UFC 6, that option isn't there. That said, if you still want to fight as Bruce Lee, the closest option is to create him yourself. So, go into the play section, then open create fighter. From here, choose the division you want and start with a default fighter base. After that, go into the general settings and set the name to Bruce Lee. Then open appearance and start adjusting the face presets, skin tone, hairstyle, facial details, body build and height to make the character look as close to Bruce Lee as possible. You can also customize things like stance, fighting style, posture, signature moves and overall fighter setup to match his style. Spend some time tweaking the details until you are happy with how he looks. Once you are done, save the fighter and you'll have your own Bruce Lee inspired character ready to use in UFC 6. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.